video, I will be showing you how I made this wonderful broccoli and rice casserole. If you like to know how, keep watching. Okay, so these are the ingredients I'm using. I'm just using my cream of chicken, cream of mushroom, cheese whiz, broccoli cuts, and 1 onion. I probably just use just a half of the onion. And 1 stick of butter. I'm using an entire stick. So my sauce is just about ready here. Make sure all the pink is out of it. Now, okay, I'll be right back. And onion already chopped up and is already going. I'm heating that up just for a little bit. And also 1 stick of butter. Here I'm letting my sausages. I'm letting it drain because I want to make sure I get all that grease out of it. I'm making sure it drains real good. Okay, so I have added my cream of chicken, my 10-ounce can of cream of chicken and cream of mushroom over in my pan. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my cheese whiz with it. I use a whole bottle of this. And this is a 15-ounce jar. Okay, that's gonna use 2 cups of it. And it's just gonna go directly into my, I'm just gonna stir that up. Then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and put my pan sausages in it. I already done let it drain. And that's an option. If you don't want sausage, you don't have to put pan sausage, but my husband likes the pan sausages in his. Okay, now I'm just spreading it out. Don't that look so delicious? Oh my goodness. And it smells so good. And it's just like one meal tray. It's a full meal deal. Okay. My husband liked this pepper jack. So I added a little bit inside of it, and then I'm gonna place some on top of it. Again, this is an option. You don't have to do this, but this is just the way I'm doing it. Place it in the oven, preheated at 475. Okay, I just want to show y'all how they look in the oven. Oh my God, it looks so delicious. I can't wait for it to cool off. Okay, so it's time to take it out, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it out, and then I'm gonna let it cool off for probably about 10 to 15 minutes. Before you try to cut into it, and probably maybe a little longer, so it can heat down. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final results of our broccoli and rice casserole. And I have let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna cut into it. Don't that look so delicious? Oh my goodness, look at that. It just looks so, so good. And it's just a 1-pan meal. And this is just, look at that. Don't that look good? I'll show y'all. It looks delicious. Okay, and my tester is here. And I'm gonna let my husband taste this and see what he thinks. Okay, here's my husband, and he's gonna tell us how that tastes to him.
Delicious. Good.
Okay, so
real good.
Okay, so there you have it. I hope y'all try this at home. And before I leave, I'd like to thank all of my subscribers. I'd like to thank all my new subscribers for being here with me. And if y'all like more of my recipes, I will try to start doing more recipes. I will try to show y'all more of my favorite recipes. Okay, so we'll see you the next time. Be blessed, be safe, and always remember that God do love you so much, and so do I. Okay, let me say bye-bye.